Hello everybody, welcome to GIC Pathshala, Grade 7 Social Science. And in Social Science we are doing just now politics, social and political. And the chapter is on equality. Chapter is on equality. Last time we have seen and we have discussed something about the equality. Equality means in simple language we have to see all other persons equally. See, equality simple meaning is like that. But last time we have also seen we have done a story that in that also what type of things the domestic worker is facing. So now that some of the things are that we are thinking, we also feel that there should be equality, but you feel always equality is there? No, many a time we think that equality is not there. See, there are many challenges to it in the form of various inequalities. See, we are talking about equality, but many challenges are there. Many challenges are there, and in the form of various inequalities. Various inequalities are still there, still existing in the society. Because of that, we feel sometimes that equality is not there. Now, see, one of the basic thing related to inequality is caste system. One of the basic thing is caste system. See, many a time, sometimes somebody are thinking, some of the society, some people in the society are thinking they are superior related to the caste. Some people are inferior related to the caste because they are comparing themselves caste wise. See, this is the very common problem in present in India also. We are trying to remove such type of things. Government is trying, but then also these things are there. See, one simple example is there in marriage. Suppose when a child is becoming young, when the parents are thinking that now we should do the marriage of our child, at that time first they are thinking that we should do the marriage of our child with the guy or a boy or a girl with from our own society or from our own caste. They are preferring the caste very first. See, some of the exceptions are there. Many people are nowadays not thinking like that, but 80% of the people are thinking that we should bring, suppose a boy is there, then they think that we should marry our boy with a girl from our own caste. Suppose girl is there, then the parent is also thinking that we should marry our girl with a boy from our own caste. See, the caste system is very much counted. So such type of things are happening. See, one such example of caste-based inequality, that is counted as caste-based equality. Sometimes a guy is doing inter-caste marriage. Suppose one Hindu boy is doing marriage with a Muslim girl or a Christian girl, that they has to face sometimes many problems. Immediately the society, their own caste is not accepting. So such type of things are going on. So now what is there? The one such example of caste-based inequality. In caste-based inequality is highlighted by Om Prakash Valmiki. See, this is one writer is given. The writer's name is Om Prakash Valmiki. So he has written the caste-based inequality. He has written about the caste-based inequality. What he has written and highlighted that. See, he was a Dalit writer. He was a Dalit writer. In his autobiography, he expressed his experience of inequality suffered by him. He was a Dalit writer, and in his autobiography, he expressed his experience of inequality suffered by him. See, because of the inequality, he suffered a lot in his small age, in his childhood. So he expressed all about that in his autobiography. The name of his autobiography is Juthan. The name of his autobiography is Juthan, a Dalit's life. In this autobiography, he has written all his feelings, as he is a writer, so he can write. He expressed all his feelings, what he felt as a Dalit. He has to face caste-based inequality. Now, he was a Dalit. Dalit means a broken. The meaning of Dalit is given. Dalit means broken. So now, what he has expressed in his story, what he has expressed in his this autobiography. In autobiography, he told that in a very small age, how he experienced in the school. What was his experience in the school? See, being a Dalit boy, he is going in the school, but nobody is ready to sit with him. Nobody was ready to sit with him. Nobody was ready to sit with him. And in those times, there was no like this present time the benches are there, present time the table and chairs are there. Such type of facilities were not there at that time. So normally the students were coming and they all were sitting on the mat. Single type of mats were there. This type of single mat. Students are sitting here. Then another row they are making. This another mat. So this type of mats were used in the school. But not saying anything, and nobody was allowing him to sit on this type of mat also. After that, what happened? Sometime he has to sit backside. Backside means on the last corner behind all the students. He has to sit on the last corner behind all the students. Sometimes they are allowing him to sit near the door. Sometimes they are allowing him to sit near the door, outside the classroom, such type of thing, and totally he was considered as a not normal person. Totally was considered like different person. And again, and one day all the limits were crossed, and what happened? And sometimes the students and teachers were beating him also without any reason. Sometimes the students and teachers were beating him also without any reason, and one day they passed all the limits. And what the headmaster did, the headmaster asked him to clean the playground of the school. Asked him to clean the playground of the school. Such type of things were going on of couple of days. Such type of things happened for couple of days, means थोड़े दिन ऐसा ही चला. But one day what happened? Suddenly his father was passing by the school. Suddenly his father was passing by the school. He noticed that his son was cleaning the playground. His son was cleaning the playground. Immediately he went in the school and he talked with the person, headmaster, with the teacher, and he asked the teacher that, see, you are a teacher, I am giving you respect, so I am not saying much more anything. See, you are a teacher, I am giving you respect, so I am not saying much more anything, but you can't do such type of things. My son is having the equal right to come here to take for the education. My son is also having the equal right. He should come here and he should take the education, and before him and many students are also coming. So you don't do like that, and it is not right thing to do like that. But the boy age is very small. Suppose in small age such type of things are happened in the life that it affects much more in your life. So all these expressions he has expressed in his autobiography. So all these things Om Prakash Valmiki expressed in his autobiography. The name of autobiography is Chutan, a Dalit's Life. See here all the incident, total stories regarding the caste-based inequality. See, they are considering the caste, and caste-based inequality is there. There is a discrimination is there. See, it is created, the others are creating discrimination. So this is the Om Prakash Valmiki story. Om Prakash Valmiki story is saying and giving us something, the example of caste-based inequality. Now, another thing is that we have to see the inequality on the basis of religion. See, this is also counted much more in our country. Many a time we are noticing that riots are there because of Hindu, Muslim and all the things are maximum time. Anytime riots are there in the city area or somewhere in the nation, immediately it is coming because of the Hindus and Muslims. So, religion-based inequality is there in our society. Now, here also one story is given of Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. Now, see, Mr. and Mrs. came to one city, and they are new in the city, and they want to rent. They want to take a house on rent. Now, they want to take a house on rent. So, they are going many places. But then afterwards, they do contact of one dealer. Many dealers are there. They are showing the houses, and whichever house you like, they were talking, they were making all the things, they are doing all the necessary things, and you can get the house on rent. So like that, they did the contact of one dealer, and along with the dealer, they went to many places, and they have seen many houses. But after seeing many houses, they liked the house. So one place they decided that we like this house, we want to take this house, all the things are final, whatever rent is there, they are paid. Mr. and Mrs. Ansari were ready to pay the rent. But after going to home, if they are reaching home and they are thinking that, okay, now we got the house, we will take this house as a rent, and they are getting the news that now the owner of the house is not ready to give the house on rent. 2-3 places such type of things happen. And whatever the things happened like that, 2-3 places, they confirmed all the things, they decided, they finalized all the things for the house, and after that they were getting the answer, no, that the owner of the house is not ready to give the house on rent, and they are getting the irrelevant excuses. The owners are giving irrelevant excuses. why we are not getting the house? But the main problem was that all the things are finalized, rent is okay, but the main problem was related to the region. They are Ansari, they were thinking, people are thinking that they are Muslims, so the religion is different, so we cannot allow Muslims to stay in our house. So such type of thing is there. So they are not getting the house. So one place what happens that when they went, the person told that we are not ready to give you house because you are a non-vegetarian. See, Muslims are mostly non-vegetarian. Okay, the person is saying so 4-5 houses were nearby. Suppose in big city, metropolitan cities, you are going in a flat system on one floor, 4-5 houses are there. So 4-5 houses are there. The person, they were standing outside, and the person is saying we are not ready to give the house because you are a non-vegetarian. And at the same type of smell of cooking food is coming from outside. Somebody was making fish or like that, the smell is coming. Other persons are also non-vegetarian are there. So related the eating habits, no problem is there. Related to eating habit, no problem is there. But the problem is related to the religion. Because they are Muslim, the owner is not ready to give the house. So many places they face this such type of thing. And they were moving from one place to another place for the house. At last what the dealer told? Dealer told that now you change your surname. Now at last the dealer told that now see we are not getting the house and you want to take a house on rent because now your business, your office work, all things are here, you are settling here. Now what to do? So you change your surname. See, suppose anybody is directly saying you that you change your surname, you are agree? Immediately you feel shocked. How I can change my surname? So like that Mr. Ansari also said how I can change my how I can change my surname, and by my changing my surname my religion is going to change? No. And he can't change the surname because this hurts his dignity, because it hurts his dignity. So many a time these things are happen, this religion based inequality is also there in the society. Now you see in the same thing, you see anybody is belonging to any caste, any religion, male, female, all are having the equal voting right. See, for voting all have to stand in the line, rules are same, all are casting the vote and going home. So for voting the equality is there, but here we are thinking equality is there because caste based and religion based inequality is there. So from this both the stories in the story of Valmiki, Om Prakash Valmiki, the caste based religion was there, and in the story of Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, the religion based inequality is there. So such type of things are there in our society. Now see, in this also I told that the person is not ready to change the surname because it hurts its dignity, because it hurts the dignity of his dignity. So what is dignity? How the dignity is going to hurt, that we will see in our next video lecture. Thank you.